The pinnacle of welding safety gear, the best welding helmet, is a game-changer for welders worldwide. Crafted with cutting-edge technology and top-notch materials, this helmet redefines the industry standard. It combines exceptional protection, comfort, and visibility, ensuring welders can work with utmost precision and safety. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best welding helmet you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Jackson Safety Translight 5555+, a masterpiece of welding helmet innovation that stands as the number 5 best welding helmet in the industry. This premium auto-darkening helmet is a true game-changer, fusing cutting-edge technology with ergonomic brilliance to redefine the welding experience. The Translight 555 is a symphony of modern design, boasting a sleek, lightweight shell and an auto-darkening filter that minimizes operator fatigue, allowing welders to work tirelessly. But what truly sets it apart is the True Color technology, providing welders with an expansive 12.47 square inches of crystal clear vision, making every weld a work of art. This helmet is a versatile powerhouse, designed for welding, grinding, cutting, and carbon arc gouging. Safety is paramount, and the Translight 5555 is certified to meet or exceed ANSI Z87.1 and CAN CSA Z94.3 standards, and is CE certified, ensuring that your protection is never compromised. The Translight 555 even goes the extra mile with features like an external grind button for easy mode switching and an eternal shade adjuster for precise visual control, adjusting shades up to +1 full shade in increments of 0.2. The price is $204 US. Experience welding like never before with the Yeswelder LYG M800H, the number 4 best welding helmet that will elevate your welding journey to new heights. This helmet is a masterpiece, designed to ignite your passion for welding with emotion and excitement. Featuring a super large viewing size of 3.93 by 3.66 inches and equipped with 4 premium sensors, this helmet offers an unparalleled view of your work, ensuring precision and accuracy in every weld. The 1112 optical clarity enhances your visibility, providing a true color view of your welding projects. But the magic doesn't end there. The Yeswelder LYG M800H comes with increased battery life, allowing you to weld for longer without interruptions. Plus, its pivot-style headgear ensures superior comfort, so you can work tirelessly without strain. And the best part? It's available at an unbeatable price of just $54 US, making it the perfect companion for welders of all levels. Elevate your welding experience with the Yeswelder LYG M800H and let your emotions flow as you craft masterpieces with precision and passion. Discover the Tooliom solar-powered welding helmet, a game-changer in the welding world. It's not just a helmet, it's a welding companion that adds an emotional touch to your work. Ranked as the number 3 best welding helmet, it comes with features that will leave you awestruck. Imagine seamlessly switching between weld and grind modes without removing your helmet, thanks to the external grind knob. This helmet has built-in sensitivity and delay control adjustment, offering a level of precision that amplifies your welding experience. The low-voltage alarm ensures you're always aware and safe. The 3.64 by 1.67 inches clear visor provides a captivating view, while the rapid auto-darkening feature at 125,000 seconds ensures your eyes remain protected. Its lightweight design, weighing just 18.3 ounces, coupled with adjustable headgear, ensures you can work for hours without feeling the pressure. And the best part? It's only $31 US. Introducing the Lincoln Viking 3350, a welding helmet that transcends the ordinary, offering an emotional connection to the art of welding. It's more than just a helmet, it's your partner in craftsmanship. With industry-leading optics powered by 4C lens technology, the Viking 3350 provides unparalleled clarity. Every welder understands the importance of precision, And this helmet's perfect 1111 optical clarity eliminates blurriness, distortion, and color saturation, delivering an emotional connection to your work like never before. The helmet's extra-large viewing area, spanning 12.5 square inches, offers an expansive perspective, enhancing your control and versatility. It's not just a tool, it's your window into the world of welding. But it's not just about what you see, it's about how you feel. The innovative X6 headgear ensures all-day comfort, reducing pressure and optimizing balance so you can focus on your craft without distraction. The Lincoln Viking 3350 is more than a helmet. It's a passionate embrace of welding. Invest in your passion for $388 and watch your artistry come to life. Say hello to the Optrel Helix CLT, the #1 choice for welders seeking perfection in their craft. The Helix stands out with its patented internal slide lens, a revolutionary feature that eliminates the hassle of traditional flip-up helmets. It ensures swift and seamless transitions without interrupting your workflow. But the real magic lies in its crystal lens technology, offering welders an unprecedented crystal-clear view of the welding pool. No more distorted or obstructed vision. It's like seeing your art come to life. Optrel takes things further with the panoramic field of view, providing an astonishing 6 times wider perspective compared to standard lenses. Say goodbye to tunnel vision and hello to a broader, more immersive experience. The removable hard hat and ISOFIT headgear guarantee comfort and adaptability, while the Shadetronic technology automatically adjusts your shade levels, responding to the welding arc's intensity. It's an emotion-filled journey through the world of welding, and the Optrel Helix CLT is your ultimate companion on this artistic adventure. Priced at $599, this welding helmet is more than just a protective gear. It's a masterpiece of innovation and comfort. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.